Hello everyone, today I will guide everyone to create a Binance account and receive a registration bonus of up to $600 United States dollars. First, scroll down to the description below my video, click on the link to register a Binance account for new users. When clicking on the link, select a browser to open the Binance account registration page for new users. There are ways to register a new account such as register with personal phone number, register with email account, Gmail, Apple, Telegram. Today, I will show you how to register an account using a Gmail account. First, enter your Gmail account. Click Continue. The system will send the OTP code to your Gmail. Please check your Gmail and copy the OTP code and enter it in the blank space. Click Continue. Next is to create a password for your account. Create a password that only you will know. Password requirements are 8 to 128 characters, minimum 1 number and minimum 1 uppercase letter. When you see 3 green ticks on the screen, your password has met high security requirements. Okay, done. Press Continue. Done. You have successfully created a Binance account. Now you need to download the Binance app to your phone. Click to open the application. If you are new to encryption, please select the first item and click on it. Similar to the first step of creating an account, you see your Gamble money and password to log into the account you just created. Continue via Gmail to get OTP code. Login successful. Now you need to verify KYC account. You choose the verification section. There are verification methods such as citizen ID, driver's license, passport. For example, with ID verification you need to take a photo of the front and back of the card. Other ways are similar. Wish you successful account registration. Please comment on the number of rewards to let me know. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel to follow the next video.